Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix the Windows 10 lagging or hanging problem in just 1 minute. And so for that, we will be going with the privacy settings. So please open first your settings. Please make a right click here in the Windows icon. Go click on the settings option. And then we need to navigate to privacy and security. Once you're in here, all you need to do is just to disable unnecessary privacy settings. So within the privacy section, please go through the following and turn off most options. So please go to the general tab or general option and then turn off all toggles. So as you can see this is already turned off. Go back again to privacy and security. Here we need to disable the speech, and it is already disabled. So go with privacy security. By the way, if it's not disabled, all you need to do is just to make a click on this button here, and then once you see that it is in color blue, then please make a click on that so that it will be grayed out, and that means it's off. Once you have done that, we will be going now to the inking and typing personalization. We need to disable this as well. As you can see, it is already disabled. So proceed with diagnostics and feedback. It is disabled as well. And for the last one, we have activity history. So let us disable this one by clicking or making a click here in this button, and then it is already disabled. After doing that, we need to go with app permissions. So we need to disable most of this. So just scroll down and look for this app permission section here. So for the location, we need to disable this one. Just please make click on the button there. Just do the same thing with what we did earlier. So please click on this one to disable this, and once you turn this off, all of the options here or toggle will now be disabled. And once you're done with this one, just go back to the privacy and security section, and here we can also disable most of the options from camera if it's not used, or for the microphone. If you're using it, you can just keep it on if used frequently. So for the voice activation, you can also keep it on if needed. But for the notifications, account info, the contacts, calendar, phone calls, and the call history, you can just disable these options. And then for the email, it's optional. You can just keep it on if needed. And for the tasks, the messaging, the radios, and other devices, you can just disable all of these options. And for the background apps, you can just go to the background app section, turn off all unnecessary apps from running in the background. So you can just quickly go to the background apps option here. If you're seeing background apps option, just quickly disable them or turn them off. And then once you have done that, just go with the app permissions for files, documents, pictures, videos, and file system. So if you're seeing the documents option here, just disable them as well. So just turn off the toggle key. And then once you have done that, just do the same with all of these options here, just like downloads folder, the music library, pictures, videos, file system. So all the things that you're seeing here, if not necessary or unwanted, then just quickly disable them. And after doing this one, just please make a quick restart with your device. And after the restart, you should now experience a faster performance and less lag on your Windows 10 laptop. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.